Assalamualaikum viewers, wishing you and your family a delightful month full of blessings, ibadah and taqwa. Here's wishing all of you Ramzan Mubarak. Today's recipe is an easy way of making talbina. Now talbina is a barley syrup cooked with milk and sweetened by adding dates or by adding honey. And Prophet Muhammad ﷺ recommended it when sad events happen for its effect on soothing hearts and relieving sadness. And it is a nutritional food that can keep our energy levels high during Ramzan. Now for this I have taken 100 grams of barley, that is half cup of barley that I have soaked overnight, and this is how it becomes after you soak it. And keep this aside. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 10 to 15 dates, de-seed them and keep them aside as well. Now the dates that I have used here are Kimia dates. You can use any kind of dates. Now these dates are very soft and they become very mushy, so I haven't chopped them. In case you're using any other variety of some hard dates, you can definitely chop them and then we can use them in the recipe. Now I have taken 1 liter of milk and I have got it to a boil. Now once you see that the milk has come to a boil, at this point of time we will add in the soaked barley, that is jaw. And then cook it for around 20 to 25 minutes till it completely softens a little. Keep stirring in between so that it doesn't burn and get stuck to the vessel. You can reduce the flame and cover it half with a lid and cook it again for some time, approximately 25 to 30 minutes. It will take to soften down. After this, you add 1/4 cup of chopped almonds. This is completely optional. You can skip this. And to this goes the 10 to 15 de-seeded dates. And then again, we just cook it till the dates also become a little mushy. This will take again around 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame. To this we'll add half teaspoon of cardamom powder, green cardamom powder. Now this is also optional. I've just added this for some kind of a flavor. And our talbina is completely ready. You can have this hot or you can just chill it and have it during suhoor or iftar, and definitely you will see that it will give you a lot of nutrition during the holy month of Ramzan. And I hope that you like this recipe, and please do enjoy it with your family and friends. And once again, Ramzan Mubarak to all my viewers. I hope you like my recipes. If you like them, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and until next time, goodbye.